Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Rob's Rig. Today we're going to do a video a little quirky. We're going to listen to the sound of the Jeep Wrangler with the air raid cold air intake in it, both from inside the cab. And I've also mounted a camera here, mostly just for audio. Obviously, it's going to be dark when I shut the hood, but we'll be able to hear what it sounds like on the outside, because I'm always curious when I'm driving by somewhere, somebody or whatever, to see what it actually sounds like. Now, there may be a lot of engine noise as well, because obviously we're sitting right next to the engine. But anyway, we're gonna hop in, do a startup, go for a ride, and see what it sounds like underneath the hood. And inside, by the way. Okay, here we go. Here is startup. Again, I'll be quiet with the camera under the hood. We'll give it gas a couple times. And now let's go ahead and back out and start up on the road. Going to be very interested to see what kind of sound we actually get. Both from the engine. I mean, you'll be able to hear the Jeep running, of course, too. But I'm more concerned at this point with what the intake actually sounds like. And a little bit about this. This is the air raid cold air intake. It's not the best quality intake out there for sure. From I guess a fit and finish standpoint, the install can be a bit daunting. I broke a couple of MAF sensors trying to put it in a previous vehicle. I was much more careful this time around. But I want to hear what it sounds like, see if it gives us any grumble on the outside. And I'll be quiet once we get up to where we're going to take off on the road. Let you guys kind of hear it from a takeoff. Matter of fact, I'll be quiet now. You can hear a little bit. Just a little bit of a grumble, definitely a throatier note inside the cab. Now, of course, this isn't an exhaust note. Obviously, it's just the air, really from the box, I guess, of the intake itself. You guys can hear it there. I'm going to be quiet on this next turn. We'll see how it sounds under the hood. I'll put just that sound up. You could get a little bit of what it sounds like, I guess, out of a turn as I give it gas. We'll do it again right here. I'll be quiet so we can hear it from just under the hood. Give it a little bit more gas. Shouldn't probably be doing that right here. We're in I think a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit. But next up, we're gonna pull up to a 55-mile-an-hour road, and I will accelerate up to 55, and then I want to hear what it sounds like, I guess, as we're driving down the road. So I think I'll probably focus on just the camera that's under the hood for that microphone right now, because I've done videos before of what it sounds like in the cab, but I've never put a camera underneath the hood to get what it sounds like there at higher speeds. In other words, up to 55, 60 miles an hour, something like that. And another thing I'll be curious is to hear if how much wind noise we actually get under the hood. And I should have probably gone right there. I've got what looks to be a shed on a truck coming. So now I'm gonna have to wait for that. Oh man, I think we're gonna jump right out. That'll be good because it'll give me a chance to get on the gas a little. There we go. Let's get out here. That's up to 60 miles an hour. You definitely get a louder sound. For me, it's really what I'm really looking for with this intake is, I guess, sound while I'm traveling or going down the road, I should say. That nice little throaty grumble in the background. And let's hear what it sounds like now just cruising. That'll give you an idea of what it sounds like just cruising down the road. Not so loud in the cabin. It's one thing I like about this intake is it's something you can hear in the background while you're driving, but it's not something that's obnoxious while you're driving down the road. And I have to say, and we'll see when we hear the video what it sounds like outside, but a better solution, in my opinion, than I guess what you get from one of those kind of metallic-y sounding fart can kind of exhaust that you can get. And I've had plenty of those in the past. It's kind of why I went to an intake, I guess, for what I wanted for sound, is because I didn't want an exhaust that was going to be, I don't know, obnoxiously loud or fart canny sounding or whatever, like those little race cars. You know, they sound great on those cars, don't get me wrong, but when you're driving around in a Jeep, do you really want to sound like I don't know, a Honda Civic or some kind of little tuner type car? Not so much for me. Now I'm going to be quiet here because we're going to be just at idle, so let me turn off the auto stop, the bane of all vehicles, and let's listen to it idle here for a minute, a few seconds. I don't know if you heard that exhaust note in the background. That was actually a Mustang GT that went by. I would love it if my Jeep sounded like that, but it doesn't. And as soon as this light turns green, I'm going to take this turn and I'm going to accelerate back up to 55 one last time to kind of finish off the video, let you guys hear what it sounds like, and here we go. Is what I would say is just normal acceleration up to 55. I didn't want to get on the throttle or anything or the accelerator because I want you to hear it kind of like right now. You can hopefully hear it kind of in the background. Again, it's going to be great to see what it sounds like under the hood. But anyway, I just wanted to do a normal acceleration to give you guys an idea what it sounds like. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this kind of video, what you think of the sound of it. I'd be curious to know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.